All the tips and tricks about acid reflux you need. Finding out that you have acid reflux problems can be something that really affects your daily life. It can be hard to concentrate on all of your responsibilities, much less have any fun. In order to fight the fight against acid reflux, you need to know the available solutions, so continue watching to find out more about eradicating this condition. Limit the amount of fluids you intake while eating. Fluids add volume to the food you are eating, which will result in overfilling your stomach and allowing stomach acids to rise into your esophagus, resulting in acid reflux. By limiting the amount of fluids you ingest, you can help prevent acid reflux. Take over-the-counter antacids or acid relievers. These are very helpful in relieving acid reflux for a lot of people. If they do not offer you relief, talk to your doctor about a prescription for your reflux. They can also help relieve symptoms and work to heal your esophageal lining. Lose weight by going to the gym and performing cardiovascular exercises if you want to limit your acid reflux symptoms. If you are overweight, you will have a better chance of acid reflux building in your stomach and causing heartburn. Exercising can help with your heartburn and improve your health at the same time. Have an early dinner. Eating too close to bedtime is a prime cause of acid reflux. If your stomach is still digesting your dinner when you retire, the combination of increased stomach activity and a horizontal position is a recipe for disaster. Try to eat dinner a minimum of 3 hours before bed. Do you feel better about dealing with your acid reflux? There is no need to keep battling against this problem, so you have to take the advice you've been given into serious consideration. You can find what works for you, and you can say goodbye to this problem for the rest of your life. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.